Good morning. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. This morning in my kitchen, I'm going to make Janet from another planet a Farm Fresh omelet. So I'm going to start with 4 eggs. So it'll be 2 eggs per omelet. You know, you can put anything you want in an omelet. You can put meats, cheeses, veggies. Janet, will you grab that tomato too for me? I think there's one laying on the counter. I think there's one left. We're going to put some milk. I've got my pan on medium. I'm going to cut a little bit of an onion. Thank you, ma'am. We're going to put onion and spinach and cheese in this particular omelet. I love the color of purple onion.
Good morning, everybody.
Janet, the coffee's ready. Help yourself.
Oh, great. I asked for Lisa to demonstrate an omelet one here because mine always get wrecked. And I wanted
What do you mean
tips.
wrecked?
Well, they get too stuck to the pan or...
Oh, gotcha.
Like, my whole technique is off and it just ends up being scrambled eggs by the end.
I understand.
Or, you know, an omelet that's all broken up and it doesn't stay.
Well, we're going to get some veggies in here with these onions and then the tomato and some spinach. And Janet is a clean eater, so she's a really good example for me, honestly. I'm not going to put salt and pepper in yours because I noticed you're not a heavy salt and pepper person.
That's right.
I'm going to give these eggs a whisk. Cookie slept late too. We wore her out last night. And then I'm going to have my tomato ready as well. And some cheese. Grab a grater. Grate us some cheese. Oh, Lord have mercy, there's a toy in the floor. I thought it was a dog. I'm just going to let those saute for a moment while I get the rest of the stuff ready. This is extra sharp cheddar. But again, you can use any one that you want, any cheese you like. Janet and I are going to have a pajama day. We might get in the gator and go pick some tomatoes this morning before it gets too hot, maybe. And Janet, I'm going to call and see if we can get a pedicure. I noticed that my feet, the back of my heels are literally sticking to the carpet. Like Velcro. Okay. That looks pretty good. Alright. Will you hand me that spatula, baby? The one with the rubber in here? Yes, please. Janet, I love having you in the kitchen. We can do so much more.
I just wanted to tell everybody how great all that Southern food was last night. And it's funny because I had a couple of people message me and say, "What are you doing? Oh, how are your blood sugars?" And I was like, no. I'm just taking a little taste of everything. But it was so delicious. And the people here are amazing. And everyone was ringing the front doorbell and I was answering. And they were coming in with their arms loaded with all those dishes. And oh my gosh,
I'm
so excited.
Blessed with a good core group of friends and family that when we do have a throwdown, they're like the first things out of their mouth. What I need to bring?
Yeah.
So it never lands just on one person, which is so nice. Then I'm gonna put the cheese on the outside of the omelet. Gives it a little crunch and great texture.
Awesome. And Lisa's mama and daddy are so sweet.
They've had the best time.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
Okay, we need a little pepper.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pepper's fine.
And here's the trick, I think. Once you get the egg in, give it a little turn, spread it out a little bit. And then leave it. You can do a frittata like this, You can put anything you want on here. Tomatoes, you can put avocado. That is limitless as to what you can do. I'm going to get myself a cup of coffee as well.
I was so excited last night when Julie Petulia arrived because it was the first time I met her as well. And of course, she had boxes of cookbooks.
Janet, I really do want you to help me hang those things that we got from Papa's house. Just give me a extra set of eyes. Maybe back here in this little nook. Okay, because the boys are like, Mom, how long are you going to keep our artwork up from kindergarten? I'm like, shut your mouth. Okay, so let's see how this is looking. You want the egg to not be runny on top when you get ready to flip it. Just give it a turn again. And Janet, in that drawer on the left-hand side of the fridge, there's some sausage crumbles in the bag. Will you grab those for me, please? In the refrigerator. Thanks. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put a little sausage in mine. Would you like some turkey sausage in yours? Just a few little crumbles.
You little crumbles.
Few little crumbs. Got it. All right. Let's see how we're looking here. Does that look yummy?
I think I don't cook mine long enough.
Yeah, you have to let it kind of set good. Will you hand me that knife, please, sweetie? I'm going to put you a couple slices of tomato. And there's cantaloupe, too. We'll get some cantaloupe. I think it's in the outside fridge, but we'll get it. So Janet's omelet is ready. Here's your plate here, sweetie. Left. Hot, hot. There you go. Omelette with Janet.
This is when you need smell-o-vision. Wow, looks awesome.
Hey, happy Saturday. Have a great breakfast.
For cooking, cutting up, and keeping it real.
See ya.
Lisa and Janet.
Yes. Hit that button there, sweetie.